I guess. Hopefully the blog doesn't go down on us again. Oh, I haven't been able to. Here you go. I don't know, come in the damn box. Totally certified. I'm busting this for Edizzle. We've got 2 boxes of totally certain, 2 boxes of gold standard 11-12 basketball. Good luck. Can I still send the Kobe pack sealed? Maybe you want to sell them. Or maybe you want to open them yourself. Okay. I'll send that sealed. So it's not fat like it's got a pack or nothing. Good luck, Eric. Open them? You want to open them? Alright, we'll open them. Kobe packs. Alright, we got anything? All base. Non-numbered. Pow. Sick. Could be a numbered one, I guess, huh? Alright. First pack. First hit. Jay Crowder. Rookie roll call. Red card is Kevin Garnett. No big rookies. Jay Crowder. Jay Crowder. Oh, you got a private SIGs. Good luck, man. We'll slow roll the private SIGs, maybe. Sweet. What are we gonna get? What was that? Al Addles? Old Al? Guy really looks old. Old Al. Even the picture. He looks like he was playing when he's like 40. Old Al. Not numbered. And there's another hit, Cedric Maxwell. Who? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Apparently paid for the Philadelphia Warriors, Al Addles. There's Cedric Maxwell. Jersey. Red Hito. Blue Johnny Flynn. Lillard out of 5. That's what I'm saying. Pull it. Little 2-box break. Imagine if that thing popped out right now. All the cases we busted. Got an autograph. Kendall Marshall. Red parallel. That's a SP. Numbered out of 79. Short print. 24/79. Nice. Spencer Hawes is a red. 3 left. Some green. Blue Jason Smith. And a Dwight Howard jersey. Pinstripe. From his old Glenn Big Baby Davis red. Come on, green. Bernard James blue. And you got Derek Favors. Utah Jazz jersey. Fuck. One more auto, I think. Oh, actually, I don't know, because you got the bonus. I think you got another auto, actually. I don't know. No, because you got the Al Addles. We got Dwayne Wade blue. Al Addles is 3rd auto. Chase Budinger jersey. John Henson red. No green. Gold or black. Kill both totally certs first. Edizzle. Do a slow roll the Chase Budinger. Alright. Good luck. Maybe the second one's a better one. I don't think Irving pulled a. These same 4 came from the same place. Or 2 that Irving had yesterday and the 2 that I had. I don't think Irving pulled any greens, so still got a chance. Well, I hope. Nothing like Kobe's. Forgot to take a shot. Good luck. Come on, baby. Got a blue Turca glue. Ryan Gomes jersey. Ryan Gomes. Come on, baby. Big son. Shit. First autograph, Kyle O'Quinn, Orlando. Don't know why he doesn't get to wear a regular jersey. Another Hito, building the rainbow of him, red one. Ryan who? Gomes. Gomes. I don't know how you say it, man. I think it's Gomes. Brandon Bass, Celtics, and Bismack Biyombo. Autograph rookie. I think he's a short print. Not bad. Bismack. We don't pull him very often. He's one of the tougher guys. And a John Henson red. Did we just get a John Henson red? Maybe it was a John Henson blue. John Henson something. Yep, John Henson red. 2 of them. Autograph. Fucker. Good colors. Good team. Darius Miller, the red one to 274. Darius Miller. Oh, sorry. Kevin Garnett red. Oh, man. Here's a patch. We're going to do the patch last. It's a blue one. Last chance for maybe a green right here. Yeah, because it's just a jersey. Kirk Heinrich for the Bulls. A little pinstripe. Oh, it's all for Edizzle, actually. But he's on the Bulls. You know, part of the... let's just have it for me right there. Alright, cool. Heinrich. Well, maybe we'll get a nice Derrick Rose patch right here. Who knows? And your patch, Edizzle will slow roll it. It's numbered 18 of 25. It's not a Bulls guy. It's old school. Daryl Griffith, 3-color, 10 out of 25. Looks like a piece of his sock in the picture. I think it's from the seams of his jersey, or whatever you want to call it, the collar. Probably from the collar. Cool 3-color. Flip it. Any greens on this side? Got a blue John Lure. Oh, not the greatest. Sorry. Bismack is short print, and you got 2 short print rookies, Kendall Marshall and Bismack, but they're not the greatest. Darrell Griffin. Butch. Maybe this one will be a little better to you. No golds, greens, or blacks. Yeah. Here we go. Wishing yourself good luck. That's right. Like you. Come on. Whatever you're looking for out of this. What do you want out of this, Edizzle? XRC letter O in both boxes. Future Metals number 6. How many base are on the back? 2 base off the back. Here we go. Pau Gasol. Beast mode. Sick. Grievous Vasquez. Kendrick Perkins. Al Jefferson. Brandon Jennings. And here's your redemption. It is F. F. Who is F? As in fuck. They said, geez, the language. Josh Harrelson. Alright, I don't know who that guy is, sorry. Got a Mike Bibby. Signs of Gold. Number to 40. Mike Bibby. Okay. 14K autographs. Jawan Howard. To 149, Miami. Fab 5. Uh-oh. What is this? Black gold. Pretty nice. Mark Gasol. Nice card. Not sure if you're liking the player. That's sick. What are these number 2? 5. Pretty solid though. These are tough cards to hit right here. Pretty sick. We hit. It goes like this, yeah. And part of the GA. I don't know. Sweet looking. Oh! Got another one. 2011 again. 2 in 1 pack. This one is Double D's. Double D's. Tobias Harris. Yes, please, on the Double D's. And one more black gold. This is just the jersey. Tracy McGrady, number 49. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you had 6 hits. You got a bonus hit. A second XRC. Not maybe the best one. Not the best ones. Fuck. Tobias Harris. And black gold's pretty sweet. Alright. Son of a gun. Last one. Here we go. Come on. That's what I'm saying. Let's go, William Fudge. Bring the noise. Bring the noise for the boys. Got a 101. Oh, scared me. Computer went to the screensaver for a second. Thought the damn show went down again. Here we go. 17 out of 299. Rajah Bell. Awesome. There you go. Rajah Bell. Tony Parker. Paul Millsap. Not focusing. Another Paul Millsap. Not making that up. Right behind each other. That wasn't trickery. Same card. Emeka Okafor. Oh, there's the new one. All right. Ready? The 17th pick, Futures Medal, number 17. Not bad. Who is it? Future Medal, Tyler Zeller. It's me. Future Medal, True 17 card. Sick. Thing would probably be worth more than some of these dudes. All right, and G. G. Get letter G on that one. Who's G? Derek Williams. All right. So you got another bonus hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, you got 7 hits in this one. Because you get this thing, I guess. Damn, it's like they did it again. Look at that. Back here, there's another one again. Oh, that was Klay Thompson. Sorry, BT. This is Klay Thompson. It says BT letter G. So you got another. There's another redemption back there. All right, here we go. Who's this? Greg Monroe. Numbered out of 149. Signs of gold. Nice. We got 50 greatest, Nate Archibald. Numbered to 149. Nate Archibald. Okay, old school. Dang again! Dang, 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 dang. There's a big butch. Paul Pierce, number to 5. Dang, went 2 for 2. Pretty sick. I thought that one. I wish that one had the nameplate like the other one did. That's still nice. From the lettering, seaming. Headband, maybe. That's nice. So he hit 2 of those in 2 boxes, and he gets bonus frickin' redemptions again. Come, baby. Come, big boy. Here we go. Wow. Duplicate. Double D's. I just got double D's. You got double D's in the last box, too. It was the same one, the same spot. The second one again. He must be the extra. Where? They're both O's. The last hit is a Russell Westbrook jersey. Damn, Tobias Harris again. Pretty sick. And Russell Westbrook jersey gold stars to 149. That wasn't bad. The gold standard was decent. You got the 2 black golds, a couple of decent autos, and you ended up with 5 rookie redemptions. A couple of bonus hits. Thanks for watching. Thank you again, Eric. Sorry, Totally Certified didn't have any greens, blacks, or golds. You know, just had.